Dear child, today, the angels have a special message just for you. They say that someone you've been thinking about a lot might be your soulmate. What's a soulmate? It's someone who feels just right for you, like a puzzle piece that fits perfectly. This isn't just a fun story. It's something really special that the angels want you to understand. Out of everyone in the world, there's one person who's just perfect for you. They understand you without you even having to say anything and make you feel really comfortable and happy. The angels tell you how to notice when you meet your soulmate. It could be a quick, happy feeling when you see someone, or feeling like you've known them forever, even if you just met. The angels are here to help you notice these signs and guide you to your true love. This isn't about finding just anyone, but finding the one who's just right for you. Let's listen to the angels and learn more about this amazing kind of love. Let's dive deeper into how you can find your soulmate, guided by the whispers of angels. They tell us that finding true love isn't just about looking for it, but also about being ready in your heart to welcome that special someone. Here's what you need to know to understand and spot the signs that you're on the right path. When you meet someone who could be your soulmate, you'll feel very comfortable with them, almost as if you've known them forever. It's a feeling of ease, where you can laugh and talk like old friends from the start. This deep comfort is one of the signs from the angels that this person is really special. Your feelings are also a big clue. Trust those little nudges in your gut, telling you something is right. These feelings might not always make sense, but they're important. When everything just clicks emotionally, even if it was unexpected, that's your intuition speaking, guided by the angels. It's also a good sign if you and this person share similar values and dreams. If you find yourselves talking about the future in similar ways, it's because you're meant to support each other's growth. The angels remind us that soulmates are brought together not just by love, but also to help each other thrive. Life will throw challenges at you, but how you face these with your soulmate matters. If you can tackle problems together and remain strong, it's a sign of a deep, meaningful partnership. This doesn't mean there won't be tough times, but there will always be understanding and support to get through them. Patience is key in finding your soulmate. It's hard to wait, especially when you want to find love fast. But true love takes time. The angels ask you to trust that everything will happen at the perfect time. Loving yourself is just as important. The angels say that deep love for another starts with loving yourself. Know your worth and love yourself first. This kind of self-love attracts your soulmate, who will reflect this love back to you. Pay attention to your dreams too. Angels often send messages through dreams. If you wake up feeling strong emotions from a dream, think about what it might be telling you about your love life. These dreams could be guiding you to the right place or person. Lastly, keep believing in the angels' guidance. There might be moments when you feel alone or doubtful, but these feelings will pass. The angels are always with you, helping you find your way to love. Keep your heart open and hopeful, because your soulmate is also looking for you. Remember, the journey to find your soulmate is as wonderful as finally meeting them. Let love, with a little help from above, lead you to the one who's just right for you. As we wrap up our exploration of finding your soulmate with angelic guidance, remember that this journey is as unique as you are. The angels encourage you to keep a gentle awareness of the signs around you, trusting that each step forward is part of a divine plan designed just for you. Embrace the moments of joy and connection, and also the times of solitude and reflection. These are all important parts of your path to finding true love. Remember, your soulmate is someone who complements you perfectly, not just in happiness, but through life's challenges as well. Hold onto your faith in the angels' messages and in the power of love. Even when the path seems unclear, know that you are being guided. Your openness to love and your readiness to receive it are what will draw you closer to your soulmate. As you continue your day, carry with you the peace and assurance that you are never alone in your search. The angels are with you, whispering encouragement and illuminating your way forward. Keep your heart open, your mind hopeful, and let the magic of love, guided by celestial hands, lead you to the one who's meant to be by your side. Thank you for sharing this moment with me, and may your journey be blessed with love and light.